Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Yes? Enjoying the online studying? Yes? You all are enjoying the online studies? Very good. So I am Rani teacher and I am going to teach you English subject. Okay? I am teaching you English subject. So can you remember what we have learnt in the last episode? Yes children? In literacy, that is English subject, which letters we have learnt? Yes? Which letter is this? Letter B. Very good. And what is the phonic sound of letter B? B. Very good. Means you all are studying at home. Good, good. And next letter is letter C. What is the phonic sound of letter C? K. Very good. Yes, the phonic sound of letter is C. So today I am going to teach you a new letter. Okay? Which letter will come after C? Yes children? Which letter will come after C? Very good. D. So today we are going to learn letter D. So you have to open your literacy skill book, page number 16. So children, see here what you can see on this page. Yes, letter capital D. Which letter is this? This is capital letter D. And this is small letter d. Okay. So the phonic sound of letter D is D. What is the phonic sound of letter D? It's D. Okay. So we will read some words. Okay. Here are some pictures that start with letter D. And what is the phonic sound of letter D? It is D. Okay. So you have to repeat after me. Okay. Which picture is this? Yes, it's a dog. The dog. The duck. And what is there in this duck's mouth? What you can see? Yes, it's a donut. So it is the donut. Okay? So you have to repeat after me once again. The dog. The donut. The duck. Okay? So turn the page now. Now turn the page. Turn the page. Page number 1717. Okay. You have to turn the page and take out page number 1717. Okay. What you can see here on this page? Yes children. What you can see? Yes. Yes. We have to trace letter D. So you have to first listen how teacher is writing, okay? First, you have to draw a standing line and a half curve, okay? It is letter capital D. You have to repeat after teacher and write properly in good handwriting, okay? Repeat and write capital letter D. Capital letter D. And what is the phonic sound of letter D? D. Yes, you have to repeat the sound also. D. And which pictures start with D? The duck. Yes. Again, what we have learnt? The donut. The dog. You have to write letter capital D. One standing line and half curve. Write in proper formation. Start with the red line and end to the blue line. Now we have completed letter capital D. Now I will show you how to write small d. Okay children? You have to draw one standing line from red line to blue line and one half curve. Okay? Yes. You have to draw one standing line and one curve. Small letter D. Small letter D. Small letter D. And what is the sound? Yes. What is the phonic sound of letter D? It's D. Yes. Complete fast. Write properly. Don't erase. Write in good handwriting. Start with red line and end to the blue line. Small letter D. Small letter D. Small letter D. Okay? Done? Yes. Now you have to see here. What is given here below? Color the picture that begins with letter D. So you have to color the picture that begins with letter D. So you can use crayons for coloring. Tell me which picture is this? Yes, children? It's a duck. Very good. So we have to color this duck. Okay? You have to color this duck. Duck. Okay? Yes. Duck. So you have to color this picture. Okay? You can use any color. Okay? Yes. Which color you like, you can color with that color. Okay? Yes. So, duck. And what is this picture? It is a bag. Yes. So you should color this bag? No. It starts with letter B. And this picture next to bag is dog. And what is the beginning sound of this dog? Yes. From which letter it starts? D. Yes. So dog. You have to color this picture also. Okay? Yes. You have to color the dog picture also. Okay, children? Dog. Okay? Yes, you have to color properly. Within the black color outline, you have to color the picture. Okay? Dog. Okay? Yes. Finished? Very good. Now you have to turn the page. Page number 1818. Okay? Yes, page number 1818. We have to do this practice. See here, write the first letter of each picture. So which picture is this? Dog. So it starts with letter D. So you have to write here capital letter D. Dog. This is doll. Doll. Drum. And den. Okay? So you have to write here capital letter D. Okay? Finished? Now you have to turn the page and next letter you have to see on the board. Okay? Can you tell me which letter is this? Yes, children, which letter is this? It is capital letter E. And this is small letter E. And what is the phonic sound of letter E? It is E. How you should say? E. Egg. Elephant. Emo. Eagle. Okay? This is letter E, and what is the phonic sound of letter E? It is E. Okay? E. You have to practice this phonic sound. Now turn the page. I will show you how to write letter capital E. Okay? Take your pencils. First you have to draw one standing line from red to blue line. Okay? And then 3 slipping lines. Small slipping lines you have to draw from this red line to red line, one small line, again blue line to blue line, one slipping small line, and from blue line to blue line, small slipping line. In this way you have to write letter capital E. Now repeat after teacher and write capital letter E. Capital letter E. Capital letter E. Red to blue line you have to write in good handwriting. Okay, children? Yes. And what is the phonic sound of letter E? It is E. What is the phonic sound? E. Okay, you have to practice this sound. capital letter E. Finished? Now, how to write small e? See here, in two blue lines, you have to draw one small sleeping line and a curve. This is small letter E. Small e. Write in two blue lines, okay? You have to write in between two blue lines only. Small letter E. 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 Done? Yes. Now here you can see here one activity, okay? Circle the pictures that begin with letter E, okay? We have to circle the letters which, circle the pictures that begin with E. So see here, which picture is this? Ear, yes. And from with which letter it starts? What is the beginning letter? E. Very good. You have to circle this ear, okay? Come on. A is for engine. This engine also starts with letter E. You have to circle, okay? Eyes. It starts with letter E. Finished? Complete fast. Now after completing this, you have to turn the page. Open page number 2121. Here we have to do practice. Write the first letter of each picture. Which picture is this? Engine. Here you have to write capital letter E. Engine. Eyes, ear, emu. You have to write capital letter E and complete this page. Okay? Finished? Okay. Now you have to open your literacy workbook. Okay? You have to open your literacy workbook, page number 8, okay? Which letters we have learned today? Yes, letter D, okay. So here what you have to do? You have to write here H.W homework. This is your homework. You have to practice writing letter capital D and here small d. Even you have to color this picture, okay? So you have to write HW. Finished? Now you have to turn the page. Next page, letter E. We have learned today letter E also, okay? Here also you have to write H.W. Practice this writing page and you have to color this picture of egg, okay? Yes. After this, understood children? Yes. So you have to practice this both the page, letter D and letter E at home, okay? And you have to color the pictures also. But you have to write in proper good handwriting. Understood? So children, what we have learned today? Yes. Which letters we have learned in literacy? Yes. Very good. We have learned letter D. And what is the phonic sound of letter D? D, okay? You have to practice this phonic sound of letter D, okay? Also we have learned today letter E. And what is the phonic sound of letter E? It is E, okay? You have to say like this, E. Understood? So you have to practice this sounds at home. Also you have to complete the homework. Whatever I have given you in the literacy workbook. You have to complete those pages at home, okay, with proper formation and neat handwriting. Understood? So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.